Hey guys, Yogesh here from Utilize Your Business, and in this video I'm actually going to do unboxing of Traffic Secrets, the book set where actually you get 3 books and a workbook. So come back and I'm going to open the box and we'll find out what sort of goodies we have. And there is a new version of DotCom Secrets and Expert Secrets. So come back. Welcome back. So I hope you guys are as excited as I am when I ordered it. It's been almost a month when I ordered it, the Traffic Secrets, the box set, where actually you get all 3 books and plus a workbook. So let us open and we'll find out what exactly it is inside this box. Now the first thing I find out is there is actually a bar scan that they want you to scan it with your phone. There's a special message for the rest of us. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do is I'm actually going to open it up and let's see. So a bit excited. So here it is. It's nice, all 3 books plus the workbook. So let me open it up and let's exactly see what is in there. So nothing in there. So I'm going to save that. I'm actually going to look at listen to the message. So it's pretty good. You have it there. All are hardbound, and right here where you have it, I don't know if you can see it. There's a DotCom Secret, it's the framework, Expert Secret, Fire, Traffic Secret, Fuel, and the Unlock Secret is your playbook. So that's the workbook they actually give you. So let us open this. Alright, so let us first, so we get all these books out of here. Pretty good set. Yeah, let's look at the first one, DotCom Secret. Hope everybody has read it. If you're not, well, he just revised version which has 140 more pages. I'm not sure how many more pages, but I'm pretty sure it was 140. Don't ridicule me if that's wrong, but he did put in some new information in it, and also changed a little bit. If you guys have the old one, the underground playbook for growing your company's online with sales funnel. So that's what he's changed that bit, and they have also changed where they have it where actually can order it. Don't worry, I'm going to have a link where you can order all of them. Second one in the series, Expert Secret, again is a revised edition. He has added more pages to it. This one he talks about the underground playbook for converting your online visitors into a lifelong customers. So that's what he made a little bit change in that also. So those are 2 books that most of us are familiar with it. So this is the new one. Which one is the Traffic Secret? The underground playbook for filling your websites and funnels with your dream customer. Who doesn't want that? Have a business where you can have evergreen traffic with your customers. They keep coming and buying for you. So this is the new book that I'm really excited to start reading. So it has, I don't know if you can see it. Section 1 is talk about your dream customer. Section 2, fill your funnel. 3 is the growth hack, and that's about it. And it's pretty good. After I read it, we'll do another review on Traffic Secrets. So now these 3 books, you can also get it from Amazon. You can order it, but with the box set, the surprise edition is this one, the Unlocked Secret. So it's your underground playbook for scaling your company to 2 comma club and beyond. So those of us who are not familiar with it, the 2 comma club is people who are making 6-figure sales through the ClickFunnels, and there is a 2 comma club award in it too. So the first thing he talks about is, when I first gone there, so he's talked about, well, this one has all 3 of them worked in one book. So the .com, Expert Secret, and Traffic. So the first one is talked about the secret formula: who, where, bait, and result. Ask yourself, who is a dream customer? And then he actually has the workbook where you can, the name, the glue image of your dream customer, and then you fill it up. So that's from the .com Secret. Then talked about right here where they are, how to get them. It's pretty good. It has the workbook, the Facebook groups, influencer, the message board, YouTube, keyword, email, blogs, and podcast. I'm pretty excited that to actually go through all of the 3 books, and then at the same time fill this up, use it for my online business. He has everything there, where to who, what, why, and how script that you get from the .com. Pretty good. I'm really excited. Yes. So this week I'm going to be diving into Traffic Secret, and then I'll dive into the other 2 books too, because he has done some new work, and then start filling this up, so that this will be my workbook for my online business, and it is pretty sweet. You get all of that. You get all of this. Where is it? Right there. You get all of that in the box set. That if you guys don't have it, you should have this box set, guys. It is amazing, and I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter if you are using ClickFunnels or not, using their software or not, but if you're on an online business, you should highly recommend it to get this box set. There will be a link in the description. Highly recommend it to get the link and work through all of this, and then start putting your own online business. Start getting the avatar, customer avatar, and where to find it and all that. Go through this, and you're gonna be amazing, and we'll have a successful online business. All right, guys. See you for the next video. And by the way, this is your first time watching this. If you're not a subscriber, why not subscribe to my channel, and like this video, make a comment if you can, and let me know if there's any other videos you want, or what is thing that I should make changes. Anyways, talk to you later.